was born with the gift of sin. That is why people call me the Seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problem and the solution.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are hearing my voice and wherever you are hearing me, okay? If this is for first time of seeing my face, this is Seer. Do well to subscribe. If you find my content helpful, I don't just watch, I go when you find this content helpful, like, share and subscribe. Today guys, I just want to teach you simple thing you can do that can make you progress. You know, this life is spiritual. The spiritual controls the physical, so also the physical controls the spiritual. So see the way they are using things to control what happens in the spiritual realm. So we can also use things to control what happens in the see some sensitivity control what happens in the physical realm. So also we can use some sensitivity to control what happens in the spiritual realm. So they go pari passu. Spiritual control the physical, and the physical also control the spiritual. What I want you to understand and what I want you to learn to do is that anytime you want anything, maybe you want money for something, you want somebody to owe you, want that person to owe you, or you want favor from anybody, and you want that person to help you out, or you just want God to help you for anything, this is what I go to do. Buy 2 sachets of salt. Okay, after you have gotten that 2 sachets of salt, okay, you use broom or anything to punch one in so that there will be a hole inside that what there will be a hole inside that salt. Okay, so after you have gotten those 2 sachets of salt, please, if you are to do this either Wednesday or Friday is the best day to do this. They get money, any denomination, any amount your mind holds. That is, if you want help from anybody, if you are looking for a job, you are looking for anything at all, you want God to give you that thing, this is when you do that one. Okay, so after you have gotten the 2 sachets of salt and money, you either do it Friday or Wednesday, so that you hold this sachet of salt, you pray on it what you want. Like for example, you are looking for a favor. Dear God, I need a favor, I need a breakthrough, I want so person to help me, or I want to bring my destiny helper, I want to bring somebody that will help me process my visa, I want to bring somebody that will help me get a job, or God, I want to bring somebody that will help me. Any mouth that eats salt, as long as this person eats salt, as I'm giving out this salt, and I use this to collect back the job I'm looking for, I use this to collect the visa I'm looking for, I use this to collect the favor I'm looking for. You understand? So you make that prayers on it how you want it and how you want everything to be. You get. So when you are done, when you are done making your prayers, remember there's nothing God cannot do. Okay. So when you are done making your prayer, you say, God, in your name I pray. You understand? After you have stopped making your prayers on it, you say, God, in your name I pray. And I know you are the God that answers prayer. So that's what you have already prayed on. Then also hold your money, okay? Hold the money, any amount you want. Like you need 2 money now. Since it's 2 salt, you also need 2 money. So that 2 money you are holding, you also hold it. Let the face, not the back of the money, face you. You make prayers on it how you want. If it is money help you want, okay. You make prayer on the money. When you are done, you add the salt. Now you add the money to the salt. Sorry, you add the 2 money to the salt. Then you add the 2 money to the salt. Then you dash one with money to a man beggar. Then you dash the other one with money to a woman beggar. But if it is money help you are actually looking for, maybe it is not job, it is not a favor you want from somebody, maybe you actually want somebody to bless you with money, or it's money something you are looking for. That money you are going to pray. When you are done praying on it, cut one corner of the money. Cut one corner of the first money, cut one corner of the second money. Then you add them to the soil, then you dash them out. By special grace of Almighty God, you will get that you seek. And I pray for you this morning. Or I pray for you anytime I watch this video. Anything that you are looking for, I pray God grant it to you. With your belief, everything is possible. You know, in the beginning, God created man and woman, right? And God is not going about creating children. God has created in us, we human beings, those things that will create children. So also, God has created in you what will create for you what you want, which is your mind. So whatever you think and believe, that must come forth to you. That's why they say believe, believe, believe. So ask yourself this honest question. Ask yourself this question: is your mind using you, or you are using? Is your mind uses you, or you are using your money? Let me know in the comment section. Is your mind using you, or you are using your mind? It's either your mind use you, or you use your mind. At some time, your enemy use your mind for you. If your enemy want to attack you first, now the first thing they attack is your mind. They will make you to have disbelief. You start thinking, can I do this? Are you sure this is possible? By the time you have this disbelief, that is the first thing the enemy attack. They don't have the power to take anything from you. So by the time they attack your belief, you start doubting. That's why even if you start doubting, believe me, it will never work. No matter how prayerful you are, whatever God wants to give you, that will not come to you as long as you keep doubting. So that is why it's very important. Each and every morning, the first prayer you need to pray that God should do for you before any other thing is, God, guide my belief. God, I seek refuge with you from the devil's suggestion, from the enemy's suggestion, so that they will not keep suggesting what you don't want in your mind. Your mind is a plain guide. Instead that you plant there what you want, or your enemies will come and plant there what they want, or unwanted will grow there by default. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you guys in the next video.